Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS fam. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about what is product management. Product management is one of the concept in product development and brand management. We'll see in this video how important the product management is. Product management is a strategy business process focused on a product entire life cycles from the initial concept to its final destination till its retirement. We can say that it encompasses the market analysis, product development, launches, ongoing monitoring, and continuous improvement. The product manager guides the product journey and it ensures the aligns with the business goals and meets the customer needs. The product management and customer needs both should be aligned together. Now we'll see the some basic key aspects of the product management that includes and what are its impacts. It drives the product success by balancing the user value, business visibilities, and the technical feasibilities. Now we'll see the what is a product management life cycle, how it processes from the initial stages. We'll see some of the key concepts when the life cycle in the sense from the initial stages to when we launches when it reaches to the customers and what are the problems how we can implement this product success in the market. We have to go through all these points one by one. First, the foremost thing is strategic planning. So defining the product vision, setting the goals, and creating the roadmap. The roadmap is the a thing which makes gives a guidance to reach our product in a right destination. Then we have to do the market research, understanding the target audience, analyzing the competitions, identifying the opportunities. So this makes you to find the what is a at present market scenario. The product development, the working with the engineers, design and other aspects with the team and defining the what is required at present. Then we have to launch the products, that is nothing but the product launch, and coordinately it relates to the product to the market including the marketing, sales and efforts. Product optimization, continuous monitoring performance, gathering the feedback and making the improvements. These are all possible when we go through with the this product life cycle with the effective manner. So what are the key skills of the as a product manager? So the strategic thinking is needed, and he must be able to think analytically, he must be technically, he must be very strong enough, he must have a good communication skills so that he can communicate the things to the subordinates, its managers, or for the other people to make sure the product is to be launched correctly. So communication is a various stakeholders both for internal as well as the external, and he must possess the leadership quality. As a product manager he must be a very good leader, so ability to motivate the people and guide the teams and make them to work more involvemently. So these are all makes them to make the others to work involved in the product development, direct the authorities. Then he must also possess the technical skills. Then he must know the empathy, nothing but the understanding the user needs and perspectives, what user is needed at present scenario. So as a good product manager he must possess all these basic skills, qualities to make the product success in the market. So this is the one of the basic skills he must possess in the while launching a new product in the market. So these are the concepts which mainly focuses on what is product management is. In the next video we'll see in detailed how the product strategy and how the structure is to be framed to make this product success in the market. Thank you.